Now let's look at how to create inbound agreements. Inbound agreements are basically the settings that needs to be applied for processing incoming documents from this particular trading partner. So let's assume that we are um, accepting purchase orders from this particular distributor. So we can choose a purchase order document that we have created already. And once we select it, you can see the details of the document that has been selected. Now that we have selected the document that we expect, what should happen with this particular document once it's received? And that will be taken care by the backend integration that is configured here. Essentially, once the document is received, if we need to process it, convert it to one of the backend applications format, and then send it to that. That is basically orchestrated within this particular integration, and we select that particular integration here. Under agreement settings, you can see whether you need to enable any of the EDI level validations that can be configured here. Whether this particular transaction requires a functional acknowledgement to be generated and sent back, that is also configurable here. And if the control number is required to be checked for duplicates. So those are the options that we can configure here. And we can click add. So let's go ahead and deploy this inbound agreement now. And you can see it's successfully deployed now. Now coming to outbound agreements, this is again similar to the inbound agreements, but this is used when we need to send any documents to this particular trading partner. So let's call this outbound agreement. Here we again, similar to inbound agreement, choose what is the document that we'll be exchanging here. So let's say it's an invoice, and you can see it's X12 40 30 810. Now, since this is an outbound document, we need to configure the identifiers for the envelope that will be created for the X12 EDI document. So under identifiers, now you will see the interchange ID, and if you have configured the group ID and qualifiers and everything, those will be listed as well. So you can select those which are specific to this trading partner. Similar to that, you can see these are the host identifiers that have been configured. So you can select all of those. This is the section where we will choose which transport needs to be used um, to communicate. So in this case, since we have configured the AS to transport, that's listed here and we can select that. The agreement settings here also has enable validations and whether we expect a functional acknowledgement to be sent back to us. Click add, and this also now can be deployed. Partner has been now onboarded, and that's it. Thank you for watching.